Yung ano namin, yung music box.
You can come inside here with us.
私たちと一緒にここに入ってもいいよ。
The thing is, the music box is like at an angle where it's facing the door,
Yeah, the
the
door.
rooms and the hallway. So like, if it's sensing something, it's someone walking through the hallway.
Or inside, playing inside. Guys, hindi tumitigil yung music box namin. It's something kasi kanina, hindi siya ganyan.
Sinubukan ko lumabas para makita ang titigil ko.
Hello? Yo. Hindi tumitigil, guys.
Hey, somebody.
Kinikilabutan na.
He's on something too. Probably likes the music box.
Tama si Steve. Kaya tulad ng music box dahil bagong instrumento ito sa paningin niya. Kaya rin siguro kami walang